Well, like, again, I think it's about choice. It's about exposure to the language. Whether you're choosing to learn through the medium of Welsh or you're mildly interested, then it should help hopefully to change people's mindsets and maybe encourage more people to use Welsh, to learn Welsh, to be curious about Welsh, and they could take that home, where maybe that'll spill over into their family, their friends, and so on, and build people's choices, I suppose, for the future. I think they like the idea of going to somewhere like Swansea Market and having the opportunity of taking the little bit of Welsh that they've learnt with us and going to shop, round the stalls, talking to the stall holders, understanding some of the things they're saying, and then saying diolch yn fawr, hwyl, and off to go. So that they're not making any mistakes with pronunciation of those things, that when they're saying something in Welsh, people know it's Welsh and they can respond. So they're used to learning languages. I think it does benefit them a lot. It makes them feel closer to this new sort of culture that they're living in now.